Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I wish that you are all doing good and you are all in a good health. Today we are going to talk about the binary system, worksheet number 12. I want you to open your booklet in worksheet number 12 and write the date here. If you don't have your booklet with you, I'm going to attach a copy of this worksheet along with the video. We said earlier that the binary system based on number 2, the base of binary system, as we said in Arabic, النظام الثنائي, based on number 2, and the value will be 0 or 1. 0 means there's no electricity, no data. 1 means there's electricity and data. If I want to represent the binary system, I can't represent it with the numbers we are using, like 1, 2, 3. Only I can represent the binary system using zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. The only thing similar with the decimal point that if you want to solve the binary system, you can start from right to the left and you need to order the values from 0, 1, 2, and etc. So the first one will be units, and the second one will be twos and fourths. So it's all, the base here will be 2 and all powered by the order of each number. Let's say here, and we are going to talk about the bases for the columns, 2 power 0, as we said earlier, any number powered by 0, it will equal 1. 2 power 1, any number powered by 1 equal to. For the 2 power 2 here means I'm going to multiply 2 by itself 2 times. This means I'm going to here 2 power 2 means I'm going to say 2 multiplied by 2. I'm going to write it here for you. Here means 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2. For 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So when we multiplied it by herself 3 times, it's going to give me 8. It's not 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 means 6. Here means 2 power 3 means I'm going to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. 2 power 2 means that I'm going to multiply the 2 by itself 2 times. If I said 2 power 5, I'm going to multiply the 2's by itself 5 times. So here you are going to see the steps. You are going here to see the steps, how I'm going to convert the binary to the decimal. Sometimes I will give you the number like this, and I will ask you to know what is the value. So I'm going to convert it into the number we are using. So you need to list the powers from right to the left, starting from the 0. You need to add the values. Also, the base here will be, for me, will be 2. The question will be like this. The question for me will be like this. Convert 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the binary system here. How do I know it's a binary system? It's subscribed by 2 to a decimal system. I'm going to convert this number to be on decimal number to the number I can know. So I'm going now, as you see here, I'm going to set the numbers as we talked earlier how to find the value for the decimal. It's a lookalike with a little bit different, but it's a essential difference. You can't mess them up with each other. So I'm going to list the number from right to the left. I'm going to find the order for it. So number 1 here, the order for it will be 0. The second one will be 1, 1, 2, 0 will be 3, and 4. So when I start, I'm going to write according to the power value. So the first number will be 1. So I'm going to multiply 1 here by 2. Why 2? Because we are dealing with a binary system. So when I'm dealing with a binary system, so the base here will be what? The base here. So the base here for this system will be 2 because we are talking about the binary system. As we said earlier, binary system means نظام ثنائي in Arabic. ثنائي, so the pace will be 2. So I'm going to multiply 1 multiplied by 2. Also, the multiplication can be like the normal multiplication sample, or you can use the star sample. It's up to you. Plus 1 multiplied by 2 powered 1, plus 1 multiplied by 2 power 2, plus 0, and etc. So as we said earlier, that any number powered by 0 equal 1. So here it will be 1 multiplied by 1, so the result will be 1. And any number powered by 1, this is the most important note that we talked about using for worksheet number 10. Equal 2, so 1 multiplied by 2 equal 2. Here 2 powered by 2, as we said here, 2 powered 2 means 2 multiplied by itself will be 4. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal 4. Any number multiplied by 0, it's a basic math, it will be 0, so there is no need to do the calculation for it. 1 multiplied by 4, here I'm going to multiply the 4 by itself 4 times, as we said here. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 2 4 times, and you are going to have a 16. So when I'm going to add 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 16, the result will be 23. So this number on the binary system 1 0 1 1 1 on the binary system equal 23 on in the decimal system. It's very important to subscribe 2 and 10 here using the numbers, because it's very important to tell the difference, which one is the decimal number and which one is the binary number. This is the way this is example number 1, and you are going to solve example number 2 or question number 2 by itself, by yourself, I'm sorry. So you are going to list the number as it is, and you are going to find the results here. There is another way to convert the binary system to the decimal system, which is called the table method. This is the line method, or sometimes I call it a line method or the arrow method. This is the table method. You can list whatever you want from the numbers starting from 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, etc. And here we can find the result. So 2 power 1 is equal, 2 power 0 is equal 1, 2 power 1 is equal 2, and etc. till 2 power 8. For your information, or for your own knowledge, or for me in the exam, I will never ask you to do more than 6 or 5 digits, but it's up to you if you want to know, or for your own knowledge to know what is the 2 power 8 or 2 power 9. So here we are going to list the number. We have the same number here. You can draw a table with a cell order, and you can find 2 power 0, 1, 2, 3. The cell value, you are going to find the value. 2 power 0 is equal 1, 2 power 1 is equal 2, 4, 8, etc. And the last row, you are going to list the binary number I'm giving you here. I'm going to start from right to the left. So I'm going to start with the 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. If I am having ones, I'm going to have the cell value. I'm going to write the cell value. In case I have zeros, I'm going to neglect it, because any number multiplied by 0, the result will be 0. So for the first one, I am having 1 here, so I'm going to take the cell value on the second row, so I'm going to write 1 here. For the second one, I'm having a binary value, so I'm going to list 2, because I'm having 1. Also, I'm having 1 here, so I'm going to have 4. Because I'm having zeros here, it's up to you. I can write the zeros, or I'm going to neglecting them. Any number added by 0 is going to be the same number. 23 multiplied by 1 is going to be 23 using the calculator, or you can do it using your mind. So the result will be 39. So the number 11100 on the binary system equal 39 on the decimal system. There is here another question. Convert this number from the decimal system using the table method. Here I am asking you to use the table method. For the question number 2, here I'm asking you to use the arrow method or the line method, and here I am asking you to use the table method. This will be your first homework to answer the question number 2 and the question number 1 here. I'm going to solve these questions when we have our Zoom meeting on Thursday as usual. When we finish, when you finish this worksheet, you are going to go with worksheet number 13. Worksheet number 13 is converting binaries to decimal. This is your homework. I'm going to list all the details for you when I'm going to accept the homework. Here I am asking you to use different methods. Here you are going to use the table method. For the second one, the table method. For the third one, I'm asking you to use the drawing method. As I said earlier, this is the drawing method. You are going to draw an arrow and write the numbers here. This is a drawing method. Worksheet number 13 will be a homework. All the details will be listed for you. I want you to practice. I want you to solve it by yourself because you are going, inshallah, having an exam. So I want you to demonstrate how you can convert a binary to decimal and verse-wise. I wish that you are enjoy learning. If you have any questions, you can contact me directly on the B12, or you can keep your questions until we have our Zoom class. Thank you for listening and have a good time.